Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to this week's stamping collab, which was hosted by Pattie's Polish Corner, and these are the manicures we prepared. I'll have links to everybody's video in the description box below. Let's get started. For my base, I chose this beautiful LA Colors polish called Electra. This one is from Dollar Tree and it's only $1. On my thumbnail, I also applied a little bit of this glitter, and I might be adding it to two of the other nails. The stamping plates I picked out are this one called Harunouta L-045, and this one from Ajubas, which has beautiful images on both sides of the plate. I'm going to pick up this image with this black stamping polish from Maniology called Straight Up Black. I'm going to use a piece of tape to try to remove the excess images that don't really have a complete form. So all this black on the top. If this doesn't work out because I didn't apply a top coat, so it makes it a little bit more difficult, I'm just going to redo the nail because I realize these black pieces don't really look like much. This one doesn't want to come off. Maybe I'll have to redo that one. I'll try with the nail art brush dipped in acetone and see if I can do something with it. I just don't want the polish to be removed too. I think that's just making it worse because black polish is really difficult to clean off. You just have to make sure you clean the brush every time so you're not just spreading the black all over the place. That could actually work, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and start over. I get a piece of cotton dipped in acetone and I place it on the nail and just hold it there gently for a few seconds and then gently remove the cotton piece. Skin is super dry after using the acetone, so I'll have to apply cuticle oil. Today I'm using Shai's World Cuticle Oil. This one is unscented. While I'm waiting for the polish to dry on that nail, I'm going to go ahead and stamp on this nail, and the image that I chose is this beautiful unicorn, and I'm going to start off with the horn because I'm going to fill it in with white. I remove any excess polish with a piece of tape. I'm using Maniology's Bam White stamping polish to fill in the design. I place the polish on a little card and using the dotting tool, I pick up the polish and fill in the design. I can flip over the stamper to check my work. Now that the image is dry, I can stamp it directly onto the nail. Now I'm going to try this image again, but this time I'm only going to try to pick up one of the unicorns. I'll use a piece of tape to remove the excess before stamping it onto my nail. That looks pretty good, so I'm going to stamp it right over here. I'm going to add the word dream to that nail. And to add a little bit of magical sparkle, I'll apply this Believe Beauty polish called Starry Eyed. And using a piece of makeup sponge, I'll apply glitter to parts of these two nails. To seal in my manicure, I'll apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. This will add a beautiful gloss. Here's the completed design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! I would love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet by clicking the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed watching, leave a thumbs up and let me know.